the all-new Cardo Packtalk Pro. The Cardo Packtalk Edge is one of the, if not the most popular comms unit out on the market at the moment. Whether it's because of its future forward-thinking tech with its mesh capabilities, being able to voice record and connect it up to GoPros and Insta360s, the ability to actually talk up to 15 riders at one time, to its ease of use and simplicity in that the app is so easy for us to use and the voice activation features are a bliss to work with. But it's easy to see why people fell in love with the unit, but now it's out with the old and in with the new. Do you know where that went? Right, don't you worry, we found the Edge after 30 minutes of rummaging around in the bushes. Let's actually talk about the Packtalk Pro. If it isn't obvious already, it is now a black colorway, making it more subtle, more sleek and inconspicuous, and probably more preferable to you riders over the Nardo grey of its predecessor. Now, other features include the upsizing of the speakers from a 40mm to a 45mm speaker set. It's going to be a higher quality audio, wider coverage, and it means that we have more headbox. Other features include the auto crash detection chip, which means that in the event of an off, it will actually automatically call the emergency services without you having to lift a finger. It also means that if your phone's not in the vicinity, you can actually still talk to the operator through your helmet. For the features they share, they have the ability to connect up to 15 different riders at one time through this dynamic mesh communication, or DMC, or just call it mesh. It's far simpler. This gives us the riders a web of connection so that if someone were to leave the group, our connection with the rest of the group would still stay intact. If they wanted to rejoin, then they could as well. A great thing about this that they share is the air mount system on the side here. You connect it up and it's magnetic and you don't have to worry about it anymore. Great thing about having the Pro over the Edge is the actual tech pack features that you would get with it being the newer model, and this will be seen in the app itself. Little side note, some of the features may not be available on the Cardo Pro in this video purely because we got this before anyone else, and if that's not a sign for you to subscribe, then I don't know what is, so press the button. This is going to be a quick overview of the features that I use extensively on a day-to-day basis. As soon as you open it up, you're greeted by a font size that you'd find on your grandmother's phone and buttons big enough a buffalo could press the right one. Now, if you go into voice recording, this is the one I use extensively when I'm out with my riding buddies because I can record our entire conversation and connect it up to my GoPro. If we go back, you have access to your redial, your speed dial, or big buttons to play or not play your music. And if you go into Intercom here, you have DMC and Bluetooth. So you can actually connect everyone up within the app rather than have to faff around with the buttons on the unit itself. Something that they've added for us helmet karaoke professionals is the option to actually turn off a feature that actually stops us from reaching our full potential. So if you go into audio settings and into for more details, we can actually turn off "Hey Cardo, radio on." So uninterrupted fun on the new units. My final thoughts on Cardo. I've been using the unit religiously now for over a year and it's not let me down once. Whether it's when I was on tour with the old man and being able to just continuously charge it on my motorcycle without having to get off of it, to just how easily it's integrated into my day-to-day life. For me and the kind of riding that I do, it just works. But I want to know what you guys think down in the comments below. Would you get one for yourself? Let me know. Give us a like if you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe, ride safe, and we'll see you all